Wake with a sore jaw or dull headaches. Has your partner heard grinding at night? You may be grinding your teeth, often from stress or health issues. What are the risks? Stick around for causes, consequences, and simple steps to protect your smile. Bruxism means grinding, clenching, or gnashing your teeth. It happens when awake during stress or more often in sleep, where it's stronger and more damaging, often unnoticed until symptoms appear. Primary causes: stress and anxiety, tightening jaw muscles, sleep problems like sleep apnea triggering grinding, and physical factors such as a misaligned bite or certain antidepressants. Ignore it, and the damage can be significant and long-lasting. Risk 3. Chronic jaw pain and headaches. Overworked jaw muscles can cause facial pain, earaches, and temple tension. Risk 2. Severe tooth damage. Grinding wears enamel, flattens teeth, and can crack or loosen them, leading to crowns, root canals, or implants. Risk 1. TMJ disorders. Grinding stresses the jaw joint, causing clicking, popping, pain, and sometimes a locked jaw. Act now. Try box breathing. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4, for a minute. Improve sleep. Consistent bedtime. Avoid late caffeine. Keep the room dark, quiet, and cool. Red flags: morning jaw soreness, tooth sensitivity, or a partner hearing grinding mean it's time to see a professional. Professional care prevents further damage. A custom nightguard cushions force and protects teeth. If apnea is suspected, see a sleep specialist. Bite issues may need orthodontics or dental adjustments for long-term alignment. Don't wait for unbearable pain or a cracked tooth. Prevention beats expensive repairs. Book a dental checkup this month to discuss symptoms and protect your smile.